If you have solar panels on your van, you learn pretty quick that these panels need to be cleaned several times a season. We are heading out for the weekend, so I pulled out my 6 foot ladder since I don't have access to my van roof. And yeah, those panels were really dirty. I used a spray bottle of water, a silicone squeegee, and a couple of paper towels for each panel. Basically, wash, rinse, and repeat. I washed all the panels twice and was really happy with the results.
Ugh, look at that sludge.
Wow, just look at the difference. While I'm up here, I do a quick inspection of my 6-inch ventline fan. This little fan can be open and running under my panels all the time. The black solar panels can get pretty hot, so I'm glad I have this space to keep the panels cooler and extend their life. When you aren't charging as much as you expect to, it's a good bet your panels are dirty.
There is a lot of gunk on that. You can still see which one is the dirtiest.
Well, the job is all done, and it only took me about 15 minutes. Here is my Energy 1500. I'm at 100% now, bringing in about 49 watts of solar, charging at 7 watts. And that's because my vent line fan and my refrigerator are both currently running. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and have a wonderful day.